Here are the trades for today, February 10th. This is my first one, 7:30 in the morning. NLSP, they had a news headline right at 7:30. Low float, about 1.6 million. So it starts to pop up. I'm watching it, bouncing off of 73. I watch this candle and it goes down, holds 50, pops back up. I buy right there for the break of the previous candle, kind of a micro pullback. So I'm in at 272 with 100 shares, and it breaks upwards, kind of hanging around 80, pushes up to 90, up to 3, doesn't break through 3, comes back down. So it hits 3, and it comes back down, and I missed the good dip spot. Going through, oh, I restarted. We can just watch it again quick. Comes down, holds 50. You see green on the tape there. It starts to come back up, big bottoming tail. So I'm thinking right now already to buy. I hit the button right now. Get in at 272. Break straight up to 280, 84. It touched 89 there for a second. Comes back down. This would maybe be the spot to add instead of doing what I do. Kind of right in there. You're starting to see green on the tape, and it looks like it's going to break through 90. That's where I should have added. It would have brought up my cost basis to 80-ish, 280. And then it goes up to 3, and then through. I add as it breaks 3, which isn't the best place to add. I add at 308 or something like that, and it brings my average up to 290. That's higher than you'd like it to be. Goes up to 320, then instantly comes back down to 3. Then I'm just kind of watching it. It's bouncing around here, so I just sell at 302. Um, Pretty big rejection off of 320, and it's already up from 195 to 320, 65%. I think it says 65%. So you just don't know. It could reject hard below 290 even. So I just sold out to be safe. And it turns out it bounces around here. It goes up to 310. And that's the end of the video. After that, I didn't trade it again in the morning. So just a quick 12 cents to break the ice. Added the second time too high was the mistake on that one. Now we're getting to BDRX. This was the big move of the morning. So I pull it up. It's 8:30. This one, I don't even think I saw that it had news yet, but I saw that it had a super low float. I think it's somewhere under 1 million shares. So it's just kind of sitting here. Then I see a little burst of volume. It's not even green. I just take a chance, get in at 589. And I, off the start, was thinking this is going to end up being a bit of a loss. So I'm in at 589. I'm really watching. I have a hard stop at 550. I got to get out at 550. This one happened so fast, it didn't even update the 1 minute chart. Not the best trading software. But then you see it's starting to move up. So I'm in at 89, 628 on the bid, and then it takes off here, right up to 7. So I'm up $1 a share. 650, there was no chance of getting in. See, there's the break of 650 straight to 595. There is a bit of a pause here. Could have got in at 7. That's what I should have done. I ended up getting in at 730-ish. Then it hits 750, holds for a second, and it pauses there for just a second. And this all happened so quick. I just kind of panic sold, and then I wish I wouldn't have, because if you watch it, then it goes 850, bit of a dip there, straight. Or it's right at 850, up to 966. So there's shares being bought at 950 right there. So I could have been getting out, you know, 950, $2 higher than where I did get out. But it all happened in like a second. And that's the high, and then it doesn't go higher than that in the morning there. I don't know if it did throughout the day. I never came back and looked at it. But I'll play that one again, the whole thing through. Start about there. So there I pull it up. So this is 8:30 and 30 seconds. I'm in, holds for a second, doesn't break 550, so I don't sell. And then there's the big break. I try to add, kind of fails. I sell because it hesitates there. Keeps going higher. Could have been re-adding, but it just all happened so quickly. So there it's hitting right about the top there. And this whole time my 1 minute candle hadn't even loaded in 17 seconds. And about 10 of those seconds were it waiting to break out from the start. And then it's coming back down. So it just happened so quick. Um, I'm not quick enough to trade it a lot better than that. And I still made, uh, not quite a buck a share on 200 shares. But what did I get? 39 and 49 is 88 cents on 200 shares. There's nothing too shabby about that. I only took one other trade after this. I didn't catch it on my video, but I traded this one later on, about 10, 15 minutes later for the break of the first 5 minute candle to make a new high. I took that and it rejected, and I got out with 5 cent loss. So 5 cent or $5 off the top of this. I took 100 shares, lost 5 cents, ended up 196 on the day. Not bad.